Hey everyone, welcome to another review. Today I'm reviewing ClawAgent's AI. It's a agentic agent, which means these agents can do things. They've got like 250 of them in it. Amazing. And they're all specialized with certain kind of skills. Anyway, and it's the world's first OpenClaw app that's based on the web, on the cloud. It's revolutionary in that sense, and it has unlimited command use. You don't need an API key to hook this thing up. It's quite amazing. You can communicate with it through, I think, 5 apps. We're talking WhatsApp, Telegram, and Stack. And there's a couple other ones too. Once you click on one of these guys, these agentic agents, they go off and do their thing. You go to bed, wake up, chore's done. Unless you need to give it permission to do something. You can stack skills. That's what's really great about this stuff. There's unlimited use. One of those other apps is it's Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord, Signal, and Slack. So let's see here, waiting for this prompter to speed up. This is a new software I've got, so I'm learning how to use it. Like I said, it has unlimited LLM capabilities. If your LLM is large language model, that's what ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, all of those cloud, that's what they are. They're all LLMs. Some specialize in text, which is ChatGPT or Gemini Basic, Gemini. And then you've got some are media or video or image duplication, creation, regenerated products. Anyway, you can finally say goodbye to all the hard manual setup, no technical stuff. This is a plug and play pretty much. Like I said, you don't have your monthly API bills to deal with, and that can get quite expensive when it comes to video regeneration and image regeneration. So, let's pause this.
Everyone, this is Yogesh Agarwal, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the most powerful AI agent on the planet, OpenClaw, doing everything for you without any sort of technical expertise. You'll see simple prompts turn into powerful automations and results that actually land you real clients. And you'll see everything happen right in front of you, live. This is not just another AI agent app. This is a fully cloud-hosted OpenClaw platform designed specifically for beginners and for people who actually want to see results. You've seen OpenClaw, the top-rated AI agent on the planet, but to set it up, you need a dedicated server, and you have to deal with Docker and all that ninja stuff. Clearly not for ordinary people who just want to make money. So we handled everything for you. No technical knowledge needed. Just click and done. And I'm not just going to talk about it. I'll build a real agent and command it from Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, and the web interface. Right in front of you, a live OpenClaw agent doing everything for you from a single command on your phone. Let's go. So this is my dashboard. Here you can see everything you've done so far, all your agents, your account stats, and your chat sessions along with their status. Now let me quickly create an agent and show you the real power you've been waiting for. Click Create Agent from the dashboard. First step, give it a name, a face, and a purpose. I'll call mine Ria. Pick a color. Next, the description. This is where you tell her exactly how to behave. Then the model. You've got two ways to run this. The inbuilt LLM is built right in and completely free, and it's included with every bundle account, so you can start without spending a thing. Or if you'd rather use your own key, just add it on the settings page, and it shows up right here. My pick is the inbuilt LLM. It's free, and it's already paid for. Now step 2, and this is where your agent gets its real power, where it stops acting like a bot and starts getting real work done. On the left are the tools, more than a dozen built-in powers your agent can use. There's Website Scraper, which pulls content from any site, PDF Creator, Media Studio for images and media, a web browser that reads pages like a person, plus content tools, lead finder, and text-to-speech for natural voiceovers. Below that are the services your agent can plug into to get the job done. Want it to post on your WordPress site? Just connect it. Want to schedule emails? Connect Aweber. Want to send emails? Connect your Gmail, and much more. And you can always add your own, because any app with an MCP server connects straight to your agents. On the right, pick a skill. Over 250 inbuilt skills across more than 50 categories. One skill per agent, and you can add your own right here too, just like the MCP servers. I'll give Ria the Smart Sales Assistant, so the possibilities are infinite. Connect any app and automate anything. And once she's live, I'll show you all of it, for real. Now step 3, where will she live? Web chat is always on, so she's live on the web from the very start. And these are channels that I have connected with my account in settings. For this first agent, I'll put her on Telegram, so under Select a Channel, I pick my Telegram bot, KindClaw. Done. Now the last step, review. Here's everything I picked. My skill, my tools, my model, and my channels, web chat and Telegram, both active. It all looks perfect, so I'll hit Launch. Validating your setup, verifying the channel, building the agent, wiring up your integrations, finalizing. Give it a few seconds, and she's ready. Ria is live on web chat and Telegram. Now I'll just click Open Telegram Bot, and it takes me straight to her, right inside Telegram. Let me show you the real power. You've heard me say it. You get a real OpenClaw agent right in your phone, and you can operate it anywhere and anytime. This is Telegram app, same app used in my phone, and we're going to chat with same agent that we created. Agent we created in ClawAgents, living inside your phone. First step, type /start and it's ready. Now just watch what one message can do. Let me just give a real job to it, one that we do daily. Find the top 10 independent restaurants in Miami. Figure out which ones are barely posting. Build each one a full 365-day content calendar for Facebook, Instagram, and X. Drop it into a professional strategy PDF with my offer. Then email every one of them from my Gmail. One job instruction, the way you'd text a coworker. And here's the first thing to notice. It doesn't just start doing the work, it stops and thinks. It lays out its own 5-step plan, then asks the only 3 things it needs: my Gmail, my pricing, and how many to target. I tell it, $4.97 a month, focus the 3 least active, go. Now watch it work. It researches the live web, checks each restaurant's Instagram and X, and builds a ranked table of the top 10 with real follower counts and real post totals. Mila up top at 230,000, all the way down to Soya e Pomodoro at 6,300. It didn't make this up. It actually went to Google and scraped all results, analyzed them, and gave us here. Awesome, right? Now the real stuff. It acts like an expert marketing strategist and picks the 3 that need the most help: Soya e Pomodoro, Amelia's 1931, and Tinta Wire Cafe. Now, the toughest part. Finding the actual contact emails for all these restaurants. Our agent does it in a breeze. It goes to different sites and finds the exact working contact details. Then it creates a full 365-day calendar for each, 12 monthly themes across all 3 platforms, dropped into a beautiful design strategy PDF with my $4.97 a month offer. And now, this is where all the currently available agents in market stop working. Yes, they just stop here. But ClawAgent's AI is different. It doesn't stop with just research. It actually sends all 3 emails, personalized, with our strategy PDF as attachment, straight from my Gmail. So, let me prove it to you. Let me open my Gmail, go to Sent Items, and show it to you. There they are, 3 proposals, all delivered. Awesome, right? Wow. This is what no other AI agent products do. And these aren't plain emails. Each one greets the chef by name, calls out their exact follower count, and attaches a gorgeous agency-grade proposal. This is what I call as real power. A real agent from ClawAgents, which no other agent can even try. They just stick to basic scraping and making ugly PDF. So think about what just happened. Our OpenClaw agent just created a Scarper agent, a researcher agent, a strategy agent, a copywriter agent, and an expert designer agent. 5 agents working together to finish your complete work in just minutes, and that too from a single message from your phone. It handed you a service you can sell for $497 a month to every client on that list. That is not a chatbot. This is the real OpenClaw agent from ClawAgents doing a real work for you. That was outreach. Now, watch it build. Same agent, same chat, and I give it something completely different. Find the top 10 trending products on Amazon, compare them, pick the best one, and build me a premium, animated, high-converting sales page with my affiliate link. One message again. It makes a quick plan, asks my Amazon affiliate tag, I am going to give my tag, and I then go, and it goes to work. First, it pulls live trend data and ranks the 10 most searched products on Amazon, real categories and real search volume. Then it fires our AI strategy agent, and it does the picks for you. It filters all the low-revenue products and get you the best and high-converting product. Now it has selected Fire TV Stick 4K Max, 400, and it has 17,000 searches a month. A low price point that makes it an easy impulsive buy, universal appeal, and a strong affiliate commission. The perfect product to promote, and it chose it on its own. Then it builds the whole thing. It creates images, high-converting content, then assembles a premium sales page from top to bottom. Look at this, an animated gradient hero with a floating product shot, a beautiful stats section, an intensive comparison table, top features of the product, a customer testimonial section, and a final call to action section, along with a FAQ section and a final CTA section. Every one of them wired with my affiliate tag. And then it published it, live, to a real web address. Wow, amazing, right? So look at this page one more time. The design, the copy, the comparison, the reviews, the checkout. You would pay a designer and a copywriter good money for this, and wait days to get it. The agent did it in minutes, from one message, with your affiliate link already baked into every button. That is a page you could run ads right away. Not tomorrow or after a week. And every sale points back to you. Yes, this is awesome. You saw the power. The real OpenClaw agent, hosted by ClawAgent's AI. Do it for you in just single command from your phone. Now let me show you something even more powerful. That last page sold a product that already exists. But here's the one that changes everything. What if you don't even have a product to sell yet? Same agent, same chat, and I give it the boldest ask yet. To create a completely new product from scratch and a sales page with my PayPal directly wired in, let me give the instruction. Research the best-selling Make Money ebook topics. Write me a full 30-page ebook on the winner. Build a colorful professional PDF with a stunning cover. Then build a vibrant sales page with payment integration and publish all of it. One message. It first plans and asks me for just two things, my payment provider and my name. I give it my PayPal and name and go. And it starts working. First, the research. It ranks the hottest Make Money topics by real demand, then picks the clear winner on its own, AI-powered passive income, the trend with the biggest search demand and the widest appeal. Then it actually writes the book. A complete 30-page ebook titled AI-Powered Passive Income, 7 Income Methods, 11 chapters, 2 appendices, a 50-prompt library bonus, and 5 real case studies with names and numbers. It generates a custom cover, dark navy with a golden neural network design, and wraps the whole thing into a clean professional PDF. And this is what I want you to see. Open the book. It is the real thing. A proper cover, a full table of contents, chapter after chapter written out in detail, real tables, real frameworks, real earning breakdowns. This is not a thin little pamphlet. This is a book someone would happily pay for. Then, it builds the store, a high-converting sales page, live on a real web address, with an animated gradient hero and a glowing book mock-up. A problem section that rolls into 6 solution cards, a bonus stack, testimonials, a stats bar, a 3-step how it works, an FAQ, a money-back guarantee, and a $17 pricing card with the checkout button wired straight to my payment. Awesome, right? I bet no other AI agent tool can do this. Wow! It published both the book and the sales page live. Crazy! Right? In one message, you got a product you didn't have to write, a cover you didn't have to design, a sales page you didn't have to build, and a checkout you didn't have to set up. No writer, no designer, no developer, no upfront cost. A finished digital product on the internet, ready to earn while you sleep. That is not a chatbot. That is a business on your phone's Telegram. It's that simple. And here's the best part. Everything you just saw happened inside Telegram. But this worker is not stuck on Telegram. The exact same agent lives on Discord too, right where your team already hangs out. Let me show you. So here we are on Discord. Not a new tool, not a new login, the exact same agent, now living inside a free Discord server where your team already works. Now, I am going to show something even more powerful and awesome stuff. I will let my agent publish directly into my WordPress site. Remember, it's the same agent that we created in ClawAgent app, the exact same agent from the Telegram. Now watch this. I say hi, it welcomes me back, and I hand it one job. Create a premium, animated SEO-friendly review page for AI Talker using my affiliate link, and publish it live to my WordPress site with pros and cons, FAQs, testimonials, and multiple call to action buttons. That's it. A simple process of creating a high-converting review post and posting automatically in my WordPress site. A VA would charge easily $50 to $100 per post like these. Let me hit send. It scopes out a clean 5-step plan. Check WordPress, research the product, build the content, create the images, then publish. I tell it WordPress is already connected. Go. And it takes over. First, it connects to my real site, yogashagarwal.io, checks for connection, and then it actually researches AI Talker and pulls the full product picture. A prompt-driven voice design engine, 11 core features, one-time pricing, a commercial license, a 4.9 rating from over 580 reviews. It's not guessing, it read the real product. Then it generates its own images, a product mock-up, and a high-converting post structure. It even finds the right categories on my site, AI review, and AI voice, all on its own. I say continue. It uploads the images and it publishes. And there it is. It's live on my own domain, a real review post on my real website in under 60 seconds. Wow, super simple, right? This is the power of ClawAgent's AI. So let me open it. Look at this page. A cinematic hero banner, a clear breakdown of what AI Talker is, a pros and cons box, 9 pros against 4 cons, 6 target audiences, 7 key features, each explained in detail, a full competitor comparison table, AI Talker against 11 labs, Murph, side by side. A pricing section that highlights the one-time deal versus $97 a month, 3 testimonials, an FAQ, a final verdict, and call to action buttons, every single one wired to my affiliate link. Even the affiliate disclaimer handled. Now think about that. A complete SEO-ready affiliate review. Researched, written, designed, and published live to your own WordPress site from one message on Discord. Awesome, right? The thing that used to get a writer, a designer, and an afternoon of copy and paste done for you in minutes. Amazing, right? All of those from just a simple prompt. From zero to a completely ready WordPress post. And you automate this to run daily as well for different products. It's this simple? Let me show one more. A real automation from the same agent. And this time it does something wild. It writes a whole email campaign and loads it right into my autoresponder and schedules it. Just watch this. I give it one line. Analyze AI Talker. Write me a persuasive 5-email conversion sequence and schedule it to my Aweber list 01 with a 12-hour gap between each email. That was it. One simple prompt in plain English. It confirms my Aweber list, analyzes the landing page, and gets to work. First, it writes the sequence, and these aren't lazy emails. Look at the angles. All 5 emails are with different angles. Curiosity, social proof, comparison, opportunity, urgency. That's a real copywriter sequence. Amazing, right? And now the part that made me stop cold.
Okay, this is the countdown, folks. In case you didn't notice, if you've been to the website, you need to sign up for this the opening day on Friday, 10 a.m. in the Eastern time. I believe this is a couple days, depending when you see this video. They're going to give away 3 free memberships to this deal. So you want to stay at you got to be there at the deal. So spaces are limited. So hopefully you got excited about this. This is probably one of the first demos out there. And so sign up and take it or leave it. And don't forget about the specialized bonuses if you do. Even if you just order the front end, fine, perfect, great. You still get to keep the 8 bonuses that I specifically created for this deal. They also, oh, that's right, they also have a bundle deal where you get the whole thing, whole package with a $100 discount. So you'll want to scroll through this review page and click on the link below, and that will take you, tell you all about it, the whole thing, more details, what's the demo video again, and check out all the other bonuses too. And if you only want to get the front end, and then maybe one of the one-time offers, 1, 2, 3, 5. I think there's 5 of them. But the bundle would be the best deal, and you do get a $100 coupon code. So anyway, have a good day. Till next time. Enjoy.